Hey guys, Brian here over at Summers Woodworking. I finally got a chance to get out in the shop and make a build. I had to get this Xcarve off my table saw, so I had to build something in order to use my table saw. So I built this table here. It's going to be basically a work center or some sort. I don't know if I'm going to put shelves in, drawers, cabinets. I don't even know if I'm going to skin it or not. But for now, it's just something to get my Xcarve off of the table saw and onto its own place. So if you'd like to see how I made it, please stay tuned. This is the lower portion of the work center. As you can see, it's on casters so I can move it around. I'm planning on putting in my sander and my planer on slide outs. That way if I need to use them, I can just slide them out. When I'm done, I can slide them back in. Helps on the limited space that is in my shop. Well, another build video complete. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, would you please consider subscribing and hitting the like button? Until next time, stay safe, happy woodworking, and I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.